how to make a USA Jobs resume. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can make a USA Jobs resume, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to make a USA Jobs resume, I would recommend you simply open up your browser, which is usajobs.gov, and you will see this type of interface where you want to simply tap on the menu option from the top right and simply go to your profile icon here. Once you've done that, you can simply go to this account section where you can just tap on this option called documents here. Once you go to documents, here you can see resume where it says upload or build your resume. So if you want to make your resume, you can tap on this upload option. If you want to build it, then you can tap on the build resume option, where you just want to make sure to enter all of your work details, education, or anything that you've completed. But if you have a resume already ready with you, then you can also tap on it just to upload the resume and just go ahead and then select a new resume from your device, where you can upload the in PDF format or other formats over here. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically make a USA Jobs resume. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.